Oh. Wakey, wakey.
Fuck off, mate.
I had the panic yesterday night because it started raining. I could hear the rain, and then all I could think of was the USB cable on the bike, because I couldn't remember if I tucked it away or not. And in my head I was like, if I get water in there, the battery's gonna drain. So it's like, what, midnight? I had to get dressed again. Come out to find the USB cable just laying on top of here. Good thing that I came out to put it away. It took a whole 1 minute. Espresso, thanks for me, thank you. Lavassa qualità oro.
That's clean. Now we just pop it in the bush.
Well, it's just to get the press up.
Yeah, push that.
And it just
Coffee's gone. All
just
clean.
ejects the coffee.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool, eh?
So we're packing all the tent down, and then we're gonna hit the road. Direction Edinburgh.
Device connected.
Take your time, bro. No rush.
It's not like we got 1400 miles remaining on the trip. Morning. Morning. Be careful here.
Yeah.
Shift weight.
It's really loose.
Go on this stone once to start with the turn.
There we go. Good?
Good.
Yeah, I can see.
Nice villages around here.
Beautiful.
Very medieval.
It's really nice.
I feel like a knight on my horse.
On your steel horse.
Overtake. You can do it here. No?
See what's round this corner.
Sorry, I really had to because it's quite twisty and it's quite nice. This is nice. Mate, this is fucking awesome. Oh yeah, baby. Ma con cosa ci vado? Col Panda. Ma senza bollo? Vamo a piedi allora.
Yep.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
You should.
It is a car park, it says it's a viewpoint, so we might be able to and there's coffee, that's cool.
Did you touch the Hadrians wall? You're gonna touch the Hadrians wall? I wanna touch yours too. There you go.
So what are we going to do next, Andrea?
Find a cafe. We'll probably have some warm drinks and a little bit of a snack. Hit the road again, direction Edinburgh. I was really looking forward to some warm lunch. We had sandwiches all day yesterday. Yeah, it was amazing.
A world of difference. I'm feeling happy.
Beautiful. So we're at Kielder Kielder Water Park. And yeah, we just parked the bike. We're just gonna chill here for a second. This will be our first occasion to get the drone out.
On some really beautiful roads, and we had to stop here because this is just
How are you feeling now we're in Scotland, not far from Edinburgh, we're an hour away?
an hour away. We're on main roads now, so it should get us there quite quickly.
We'll just find this this nice bridge here, completely by accident. I think I'm gonna fly the drone again. Try and get the drone under the bridge, what do you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. One second.
This comes off.
Yeah.
We're going up the east side and round. Okay, that's the same as last year, that's what we did. So. Yeah. Cheers, pal. Thank you so much. Thanks, man. Thank you.
We made it to Edinburgh.
Yay!
Yay.
So we're here at Motor Stable. That's Murray. He's given us 2 spaces in his garage. It's all nice and secure. We're getting an Uber to our hotel. We have the only hotel on our trip so far. I think we're both a little bit tired today. We've done a lot of riding. It's been really nice and amazing roads. And I'm looking forward to a hot meal and a beer.
A shower and a pint.
And a shower, yeah.
Because you stink, mate. I can smell it from here.
Yeah, with your mask on. Is that not your breath?
110.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
That was lifts and stairs.
Thank you.
Use your keys to open the lifts.
Alright, cheers.
Alright.
Have you been knackered by any chance?
Yes. I am so looking forward to having a hot shower.
Yes,
Bath.
me too. Huh?
Or a bath.
Oh my god.
Bath would be good.
Look at my face.
Why?
I think I am
110 next door.
110, yeah. I'll text you. Beer time.
Yo.
Beer time.
Yay.
If there's a
I'm gonna embarrass you all evening, mate. Because yeah, I could not get the GoPro to connect with the remote properly, and it's getting really frustrating. Sometimes you just want to get snippets, and yeah, we're having connectivity issues, so we are considering trading in the GoPro 6 and get an Osmo or an Insta360, other sort of action cameras out.
Anyway, cheers, man.
Cheers, mate. Enjoy.
Day 2.
been a really good day. Like the roads today were awesome, especially this morning. Coming away from the Lake District, we had a lot of countryside.
Some amazing roads this morning.
Yeah, the little pass that we did first thing in the morning. It was a big, like we were inside a cloud, so it was a bit misty. But the road was actually quite nice.
Edinburgh is lovely. It's a beautiful place. I wish we had another day here. To be honest.
Yeah. Well, we got tomorrow. That's it for today, we think, and
See you in the morning.
see you in the morning for day 3. Day 3? Day 2
three.
today, eh?
Day
Yeah.
3.
See you for day 3.
Bye.
Bye.